No tools required. Materials required: gutter trim external corners, superglue, superglue activator. Create a corner ready for gutter trim external corners to be fitted by butt joining two lengths of gutter trim where they meet at an external right angle. Make sure to leave a 4mm expansion gap. Apply superglue to one inside edge of the gutter trim external corner component to allow for expansion and contraction. Apply superglue activator to the gutter trim corner area where the superglued inside edge of the corner component is to be affixed. Press the external corner component down and into the gutter trim corner. Hold in place until fully adhered.